Hey everyone, how's it going? Recently I have uploaded a video about the Trust GXT 252 Emita microphone and my opinion about it. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this microphone step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. The Trust GXT 252 Emita is a professional streaming microphone. It is thoroughly built and comes in a nice package with a lot of useful accessories. It has a decent recording quality and minimal background noise. Furthermore, it's very reasonably priced. To find out more detailed information about the microphone, make sure to check my previous video about it. The mic comes in a nice hard shell case in which you will find a foam cap, a double-sided pop filter, a shock mount, a desk stand consisting of a base plate and a fastening bar, the microphone itself, a USB cable, and the paperwork. This is how the Trust GXT 252 Emita looks when it's completely assembled and ready to use. It is pretty straightforward to achieve that in a few easy steps. First, the base metal plate of the stand and the fastening bar are screwed together. On top of that comes the shock mount. All the parts with threads have to be fastened so they sit tight. Then the microphone can be slid into the shock mount itself. To avoid any scratches on the mic, use the built-in mechanism of the shock mount to widen its bed and then gently slide in the mic without applying much pressure. Optionally, you can also add the foam cap by gently putting it on and adjusting it so it completely covers the grill of the mic. Next comes the pop filter. Loosen the clamp on the pop filter spine and attach it to the fastening bar. Then tighten the clamp again. Finally, connect the USB cable to the bottom of the microphone. In my humble opinion, this microphone is definitely a great bang for buck product. Build quality, recording quality, accessories, packaging and price just fit nicely together. Wanna hear some test recordings I made with this microphone? Then check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, you can smash that like button and are subscribed to my channel to not miss any of my upcoming content. You can also check out my other videos if you like. Have a great day or night and I will see you in the next one. Bye.